Andrew has a brand new pencil like the one on the left, and he used the pencil every day in his math class for a week, and now his pencil looks like the one shown on the right. It's impressive. And how much of the pencil in terms of volume did he use? So let's start by figuring out what the volume was at the beginning of the week. So you see that here at the beginning. So we have a cylinder, and you have the height of the cylinder, and we know that the width of it, the diameter, and then you use it also to find the radius. So the radius is 0.375. We're going to square that, multiply it by the height, and the volume of the pencil at the beginning of the week was 1.125 pi for the volume. And that's in inches cubed. So then from there, we're going to take a look at what happens when what's left after he has used it. So when he's used that, he's got two parts left. This part here is still a cylinder, and the part up on top is a cone. When he's finding the volume of the cylinder, a lot of the pieces are the same. For example, the diameter hasn't changed, the radius hasn't changed. The only thing that has changed is that it's not as tall as it used to be, so it's 2.5 inches tall rather than 8. So this is going to give us a volume of approximately 0.3515 pi. Now the top of the pencil, the part he doesn't hold, that's a cone. And so for that piece, he's measured, it's actually more like measuring right here. It's 3/4 of an inch, you see that here. We still have this same radius, right? Because again, when you measure across here on the cone, it's the same diameter, the same radius. And that's going to give us about 0.0351 pi for the volume of the cone part at the top of the pencil. So we're going to add those two parts together, right? We're going to add the 0.3515 pi, that's the part of the pencil that he can still hold on to, and to that we're going to add the 0.0351 pi, that's the little cone part on the top, and that's going to give us a total of 0.3866 pi. So that's how much of the volume is left. And then we're going to, that doesn't answer the question, unfortunately. The question is how much did he use? So to figure that out, we have to subtract what's left from what there was at the beginning. So at the beginning, the volume of the pencil was 1.125 pi. So we're going to subtract what got used from that, and that will give us a total of 0.738 pi inches cubed as what's left, that little stubby bit of the pencil that's left after the week of use.